Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It is October 1st. Welcome to the new month and the end of September. So September was a little bit weird because it's supposed to be seasonally weak, and the market just decided to, push past all of that and decided to just keep moving up, even though underneath the surface, a lot of things were starting to pull back. So we're finally starting to see that, and I think it's for a few reasons. Number one, 2 weeks ago, the Jerome Powell, FOMC, they cut rates 50 basis points, which was very bullish for the market, and so they just kept that up. The other thing was that JP Morgan had a big trade on, circled right around 57.50, and so the market, look at yesterday, we had a big dip right here yesterday, and then they ran it right back up almost beyond 57.50, but basically to wherever they needed it. And so that was a huge whipping move yesterday because of end of the month, end of the quarter, that kind of thing. And now we have even maybe Rosh Hashanah. So the old adage, sell Rosh Hashanah, buy Yom Kippur, this year starts October 2nd, which is tomorrow. So there might be some volatility, there might be some weakness, and maybe the September seasonal weakness kind of got pushed off, or the can got kicked down the road a little bit. So I think we might be in for some volatility this week, perhaps to the downside. It's something I've been looking for over a week, and maybe now it's starting to show up since new month. That's the other thing you have to kind of think about is the big players, the big funds, firms, all that kind of stuff. When the market moves up like this, and we're coming into the end of the month or in the end of quarter, they want to show good numbers, and so they're going to do whatever they can to hold the market up here, close the books, at the end of September 30th, and then they can be like, all right, it's a new month, we can start over. Now we've locked in our profits, we've locked in our numbers and all that kind of stuff, and so okay, now we're free to move it around, and let's drop it. Maybe we can drop it, and then we can buy it back up, and then we can show good numbers by the end of the month again, something like that. So always shenanigans going on out there, and so that's something we need to pay attention to. And then also with that, we've been seeing the UVIX been doing some pretty crazy stuff, actually building ahead of the market start pulling back. So this has been a very interesting thing to watch, and we continue to spike up here. So I really think something is kind of brewing out there because of the UVIX moving up in anticipation of that. So keep your head straight and level of what's going on out there. All right, guys. So as I said, let's be prepared for some volatility this week, and maybe even a little bit further as we get closer and closer to the election, and we'll see what that kind of does for us too. All right, guys. Thanks again, and we'll see you at the next one. Take care.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.